Welcome back to our tutorial on direct proportion. So for those of you who are in Sec 2 Express this year, or Sec 2NA for some, this is one of the topics that's covered this year, right? Okay, so there are two kinds of proportion. One is direct and one is inverse. In this video, I will go through with you direct proportion. So let's say in question number 1 here, given that y is directly proportional to x, that whole statement tells you this is what you need to write down. Y is directly proportional to x. Y equals to kx. Alright? And if let's say, as per number 2, x is directly proportional to y, then it means x is equals to ky. So there's a difference. So just make sure you look at your statement and see carefully who is directly proportional to what. So this is the first thing that you write down, y equals to kx. Secondly, they tell you x equals to 12 and y equals to 15. So this is the second information. You don't have to write this down, but this is what you have next. What you do with these two values is to substitute into the general equation in part 1. Okay? Your objective of doing this is to find the value of k, which means 15 is equals to 12k, and therefore k is equals to 15 over 12. You can reduce this to the lowest term, so k equals to 5 over 4. Okay, divided by 3 and you get 5 over 4. And because of this, you will be able to get your equation for this question, which is y equals to 5 over 4x. This is your equation connecting x and y. Alright? So this is answering part A of the question. Okay, let's go to part B. Find the value of y when x equals to 15. So they tell you find y when x equals to 15. So x equals to 15 and y equals to something else. Always go back to your equation. This is your formula. Go back to your formula. This is your formula. Use this formula. So y equals to 5 over 4x. In this case, x is given as 15. Therefore, y equals to 5 over 4 bracket 15. So y equals to, using your calculator, you will get 75 over 4. Put this into mixed fraction and you will get 18 and 3 over 4. Okay, so this is your part B. What's the value of y when x equals to 15? And you will repeat the same for next part, which is y is given as 7 and x equals to something else. So you apply the same formula. Okay, let me move the screen. You apply the formula. So y equals to 5 over 4, x equals to y equals to 7, 5 over 4x. Okay, and this one is x value. Therefore, to get x equals to 7 divided by 5 over 4, and you will get 28 over 5, which is 5 and 3 over 5. Okay, so this is how you do your proportion, whether it's direct or inverse. The steps are the same. Okay, the steps are the same, but you will see in the next video the difference between direct and inverse proportion in terms of the formula. Which formula? The general formula. Okay, so stay tuned for our next video, or watch our next video on inverse proportion, and you will have an idea of what I'm referring to. Okay, but generally these are the 3 steps. The first one, writing the general formula. Next one is substitute the values of x and y to get the value of k, and subsequently get your equation connecting x and y. Okay? Catch you at our next video.